You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to remove the message button from your Facebook page to stop receiving private messages. You must be an admin of the page. Go to your Facebook page. Click on Settings in the left-hand menu. In the Settings menu, click on General in the left column. On the General Settings page, find the option labeled Messages. Click Edit next to it. You will see a checkbox that says Allow people to contact my page privately by showing the message button. Uncheck this box. Click Save Changes. The message button will now be removed from your page immediately. People visiting your page will no longer see the option to send you a private message. Existing message threads in your page's inbox will be archived but not deleted. Please note that turning off messages may also disable the ability for people to contact you about appointments if you use that feature. If you ever want to re-enable messages, return to the same setting and check the box again. This is useful for business pages that want to direct all communication through comments or other contact methods. For more simple Facebook page management tutorials, subscribe to the channel.